Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. After that, go to themes option. Make sure that your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on. Then tap on top, and here it is. Now from here you can set any theme as you like. Suppose if you want to set this theme, just select it and then tap on download and give it a moment to download it, and the download is complete. You can apply the theme from here. Also, if you want to find your downloaded theme, just go back, then tap on menu option, then tap on my stuff, and that's it. Here you can find your all the downloaded theme. So just select it and then tap on apply and give it a moment again. You can see it's applying the theme and it's done. You can see the theme has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change theme in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.